everybody. I thought I would give you a picture of what our new land is like. This is the neighbors on our road. This is our front yard, our barn, and our little house. And I'm just gonna wander the property with the camera a little bit and let you see what it's like. We've got a circular driveway that goes on out the other side over there. Here's a better shot of that barn. This is where we're probably going to put goats in that little pasture. This little side spot over here might make a nice chicken house. Has a little yard that goes with it. And the ramp was already built for it and everything. This is our backyard, the guest cabin. And this will be the garden. This was a horse pasture. I might garden about that far. Pretty much that whole section. And then over here in this area we'll probably put the rabbitry. This little backyard seating area is so awesome. I could see us having barbecue time back here real easily. And this little place seems to be like a place to put a fire pit or something. Big trees to shade in the summer, which is a wonderful thing. This workshop was made by the people who lived here before us. You can tell they loved horses. The camera's gonna let me in here. Oh yeah, it does fine. I think these shelves are so cool. Hooks, hangers, whatever. They're so cool. And so we got some of our junk in here because we just moved in. Lots of electricity, nice tables, well built out of brick. And this is where the well pump is and the electricity for the outside stuff. Used to be a hoop house there. I think we'll probably try to build something like it again. Would be a good place to put feed. This little shed / cabin is such a cool thing. I like this a lot. Has already kind of a little kitchen in here. I've got a little mini fridge and microwave I'm going to stick in here. Put a little camp toilet in the corner, maybe a futon, and then it'll be like a guest cabin. So when people come to visit, they don't have to fit in the tiny bedroom. We go up this little hill. Nice little run-in space where the animals can get out of the weather. I haven't really decided what we're going to do up here. We were thinking goats, we were thinking pigs, we were thinking maybe a cow. But if we have goats, we won't need a cow. So, anyway, we'll see what happens. This was a horse pasture. All of them were. And there's this little run-in barn that opens on both sides. 2 separate horse pastures. And that's what's at the top of that other hill. So our land goes all the way back to the gate. And then the area here inside of the white tape is also ours. That will be the orchard. This is looking down at the back of the house. Oh, and there's that one more thing. Another run-in over there in that field. I was told it used to be a greenhouse. I went out and looked at it. It would take kind of a lot to make it a greenhouse again. I think we'll just leave it as it is. Could make a good garden shed since that's going to be the garden. I think this edge is a little bit hazardous right here. And it goes kind of a long ways over here. So we're going to put this kind of fence all along it and plant grapes. So we'll come out here so that way Ron never runs his chair into that dip. I love the view from this porch. Hey, love. So this is our living room. Ron's desk. Kind of some boxes still sitting there. Bedroom here. Down the hall we have bathroom. Teeny tiny place. Laundry room. With this is the place I was thinking would be good for chickens. I'm thinking I'll put some roosts right over there and some nesting boxes. We'll close this off. It's nice and big. I'll have to put up some wire. Kind of try to keep them around. And then this would be the yard. This is the tiny bedroom. Right now, very full of stuff. Ah! Get out of there. Sergeant, come. You don't eat kitty's food. This is what will be the pantry. And 2 freezers and a big walk-in closet. And then This is the kitchen, mess as it is. But tons of cupboard space. So we're not quite moved in. We're probably maybe a third of the way.